Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Mazda CX5 Max, stock reference number 4846. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2012 through to the 12th month 2016. It has a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand fog light, left power door mirror, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door has two small dents, right guard has one small dent, right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, and a right power door mirror. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with a black cloth interior, black leather center console lid, automatic type console, manual handbrake type, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heating controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, non-sunroof type, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.